In this video we are going to discuss about complements of numbers. Okay, first let us see the concept about the complements of numbers. So in this we have only two things like r's complement and r minus 1 complement. So what about this radix means? Radix is nothing but it is a base. So radix is also called as base, and for r's complement you need to remember this formula. For r minus 1 complement you need to remember this formula, like r's complement is r power small n minus capital N. Okay, for r minus 1 complement, see r power n minus 1 minus n. Okay, this is the formulas. So don't worry about the formulas. Without formulas also we will get the answers. Okay, I will show in the problem, but okay, now let us see the things. What is r, what is small n, what is capital N. Okay, the small r is radix or base, so the small n is number of bits. Okay, suppose if you have the number like 0 1 0 0, so number of bits is 1 2 3 4, so here it is a 4, and radix here it is a binary number, right? So the base is 2, and what is the capital N? Capital N is a given number. Given number is 0 1 0 0. Okay, this is how the thing will be work. Now let us go into the problem section. Okay, in the problem section, let us take the first question. N is given number is 0 1 0 0. Find its 1's and 2's complement. So first the base is 2, right? And the number of bits is 4, like 1 2 3 4. Okay, and n already we written here. Okay, we need to find 1's and 2's complement. So remember one thing, whenever we have the base, right, the complements will be, we have like 1's or 1's and 2's. Okay, so if it is a base 8 means, then we will have r minus 1 like 7 and 9, 7 and 8. Okay, now first let us discuss this question without formula. So 1's complement, right? So for 1's complement, what thing you need to write means 0 1 0 0 you need to write. You need to subtract from all 1's. Okay, so from all 1's, when you subtract the 0 1 0 0, then you will get the 1's complement. Okay, like 1 minus 0 it is a 1, 1 minus 0 it is a 1, 1 minus 1 it is a 0, and 1 minus 0 it is a 1. So 1's complement is 1 0 1 1. Again 2's complement is 1's complement plus 1 will result 2's complement. Okay, write the same thing like 1 0 1 1 plus 1. So here you know, like you should not write here 2. Okay, you need to do the addition in the format like 1 plus 1 you need to write 0 and carry forward the 1. Okay, because 1 plus 1 2, right? Here you need to keep 0 and here you need to keep 1. Okay, again 1 plus 1 0, carry forward the 1, 0 plus 1 it is a 1, 1 plus 0, right? It is like 0. Now the final answer is 0 1 0 0. So this is without formula. Now let us see the same thing with the formula. Like for 1's complement, it is like r power n minus 1 minus n, right? Like r is 2 power n, which is like 4 minus 1 minus, like what is the number? 0 1 0. Now 2 power 4 means it is like 16. So 16 you need to write in the terms of 2 power zeros. Okay, 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3. Okay, 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, and 2 power 4. Okay, 1 0 0 0 0, which is like 16, right? And 16 minus 1, 16 minus 1, which is like 15, right? 15 means directly all triple 1. Okay, remember this thing, nothing but this is nothing but this thing. Okay, all triple 1, like all 1's minus 0 1 0 0, which is like 1 0 1 1. Now 2's complement is also same thing like r power small n minus n. Already we find the 1's complement, right? So 1's complement plus 1, which is like a 2's complement. So you no need of using this formula in your exam also. So directly it is like 1 0 1 1 plus 1, which is like 0 1 0 0. Okay. Now let us move to the next question. Now next question is given number is 3 4 5. Find 7's and 8's complement. So it is like the 7's and 8's complement means the base value, which is like 8. Okay. So that's why here it is asking like 7's and 8's complement. So without formula, like 777 you need to take. Okay, first you need to take the small complement. 777 minus 345, which is like a 7's complement here, which is like 2, and here 3 and 4, 432. Okay, 8's complement is plus 1, like 4333. Now let us do the same thing with formula, like 8 power n minus 1 minus n, which is like the 7's complement. Now 8 power which is like number of bits is like 3. Okay, minus 1 minus 345. When you do so, we will get this answer. Now 8 is 7's complement plus 1. Okay, 4333. Now let us go with the next question. Now 467, we need to find 9's and 10's complement. 9's and 10's complement means, so here number of bits is 3, you need to write 999 minus 467, which is like 2, 3 and 5. This is the 9's complement, and 10's complement is plus 1, like 5333. Now r power n minus 1 minus n, same formula, use this thing like 9, like basis, it is like a 10, right? Once let us recall the previous thing. So here the base is 8, right? Same way here the base is 10, because it is a decimal, right? Base is 10, base is 3 minus 1 minus like 467, we will get the 532, which is the 9's complement, and 10's complement is plus 1 to this 9's plus 1, which is like 10's complement, same 5333. Okay, now let us move with the hexadecimal. This is an important one, okay, where people will get confused in this. Now let us see the fourth question, like we need to find like f and 16's complement. So here f and 16's will representing the hexadecimal. So hexadecimal, the base is 16. Okay, here the number of bits is 2, given number is 2f. So first let us go by the trick, like 2f, right? So listen carefully, it is a very important. So you need to use ff, because the last letter is f. Like hexadecimal we have 0 to 9, a, b, c, d, e, f, right? Like 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, now the last letter is 15. It is nothing but 15. Okay, 2, 15. Okay, f means that right as 15. Now which is like when we do subtraction, 15 minus 15, which is like 0, 15 minus 2, which is like 13. 13 means d. Okay, d 0. So here it is like 15's complement. Now 16's is plus 1. Okay, plus 1 means d 1. Now let us go with the formula, like r power n minus 1 minus n will be the 15's complement, like f's complement. Now r is 16, number of bits is 2, minus 1 minus 2f. Okay, so here at the end result we will get it in the terms of decimal format. Later you need to convert to hexadecimal. Okay, now 16 square means it is like a 16 square, right? 36, 1 6 the 6, 6 to the 12, it is like 256. Okay, 256 minus 1, 255 minus 2f. So when we convert 255 to hexadecimal, we will get in the terms of ff. Okay, ff minus 2f will result the same d0. So d0, which is the 15's complement. Now 16's complement is, it is like 15's plus 1, which is like d1. Okay, I think you got the idea on how the complements will work. So here only complex thing is hexadecimal complements. I hope you got the idea on this. If you learned anything in this video, please do a like and support by subscribing. Thank you for watching this.